It never rains but pours. I have plenty to ask. Who will give me answers? Is it me? Or maybe it is my best friend, but I have far too many. Maybe it is my beloved mother, or perhaps my beloved father. Should I approach the men of the clock? Should I approach my wise elders? Speaking of elders, my grandmother is one. Should I also approach her? Who exactly is the right person to answer my questions? As far as I can tell, no one can. They say if you pray and believe your prayers have been answered. But have I not prayed all my life? All my life. But I am still the same. No change. They tell me never to give up. Never give up and keep applying. Application after application, followed by rejection after rejection. I mean, seriously, how much more rejection can a guy take? They tell me to keep pressing till it's done. But to me, it is all a fantasy. It feels like chasing the wind. I am my own island. Whatever I try, it all ends in vain. Let me not even mention crime. I am not cut for that life. I will not get my hands dirty. I will not end up in jail. I will be the plaintiff and you be the defendant. Life, defend yourself, be the judge. I've had enough of you, life. What is it that I've done? That I've done to you so much to deserve such unfairness? Why always me? Why can you not also give me the happiness as you give to others? For me it never rains, but it pours. Why me? Why me? Answer me, life. Answer me. Defend yourself. Defend yourself. You know, I might as well give up on you.